Welcome to the CEO Brief 2-minute power talks for business leaders who take security seriously. I'm DJ, and today's story is about a factory shutdown caused not by a hacker but a vending machine. A consumer goods company was proud of its smart factory, automated lines, real time dashboards, everything connected. But one day, operations suddenly stopped. PLC controllers weren't responding. Production lines froze. And IT had no clue what was happening. The root cause? The compromised IoT vending machine in the staff break room. It had default credentials. It was connected to the same flat network as the OT systems. Attackers used it as a pivot point, scanned the network, found the engineering workstation, and deployed ransomware. No segmentation, no monitoring, no asset inventory. The breach caused 6 days of downtime, and the CIO was asked, why was a vending machine on the same network as our industrial control systems? He didn't have an answer because no one had ever mapped the full network. As a business leader, ask your team today, have we segmented IT, OT, and IoT networks? Do we know every device connected right now? If not, you are running a connected business with disconnected visibility. So with this, I'm DJ, and this was the CEO brief. Because in the era of smart everything, your weakest link might be a smart fridge on your production network. Thank you.